So create a new file, press file, and then go to a new file, or just press Ctrl+N. Here I've already created a file named as variable1. Now press an exclamatory symbol and just press enter, and you can change the title of it to variables. You can write JavaScripts in two ways. One is using JavaScript extension, or you can use script tags. So here we'll learn what actually how to declare a variable. Variables are used to hold data in a system memory, which can later be used by a program. Here, for example, variable username is John. Then use document.write. This is the method to show output. So close this script tag. So save the program, and to open the browser you can just press Alt+B. And here you can see the username is being displayed and also the title of it. So you can use variables like this also. Suppose I use user ID and you want your prompt window to be displayed. So prompt is basically method for taking input from the user. Console.log is the method used to show output in the console window. So save it. So enter the user ID. You can enter the ID of it. Press OK. So you can see John is the user name, and if you want to see the output of the user ID, press Ctrl+Shift+I to inspect to see the output in the console window. So it is displayed. The user ID is 12345. So this is the output. As we have given console.log, so we are getting it in console window, and if you give document.write, you can see it in the browser. So moving on, let's see what are data types. Data types allow the programmer to determine the data and valid operations on data available in the memory. So let's give, there are 4 different types of data types in JavaScript. Those are numbers. A number type refers to numerical value. It can be floating type or integer type. For example, x is equals to 5, and we give type of x. It says it is a number. So it can be a floating type also. Suppose we give type of y, so it says it is a number. So after that, let's see what actually a string type is. A string type refers to one or more characters of text. It is enclosed between a single or double quotes. So whenever it is enclosed, any string is enclosed between single or double quotes, like JavaScript and within double quotes, or even the numbers in double quotes are the strings. Suppose we have other variable called t. So when we check the type of t, we have boolean. So these are the different types of data types. The other are undefined data type. The undefined type refers to those variables or objects, properties that are either undefined or do not exist.